Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 game bar not opening. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Type Game Bar, select Xbox Game Bar. Click Advanced Options. Click Repair. Click Reset. If same error still exists, second method is, type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Click Start, click Store. Type Game Bar, select Xbox Game Bar. Get and launch Xbox Game Bar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.